Good evening. Tonight we're going to do something with leftovers, and one of the best things you can do with leftovers is to make fried rice. So making fried rice is a stir-fried kind of a recipe, and so whenever you do stir-frying, you want to make sure you have all of your ingredients all lined up. And so we have some egg, we have some leftover lamb, we have some peppers, we have onions, garlic, snow peas, some bok choy, and leftover rice. You need to use leftover rice when you make fried rice, otherwise it'll kind of get all stuck together. So let's get started. What we've done is we've heated our wok up. You can see it's kind of smoking, which means it's hot enough. And we're going to put in about a teaspoon of garlic flavored oil. You can use regular oil. And we're going to take our garlic, we'll just smash that, cut it up. I'm just going to put that right in, and that's going to start browning up right away. You can kind of see that happening. And then we're going to put in our egg. There we go. So the thing, when you're making fried rice, you want to make sure it's a pretty dry process. So you don't want a lot of liquid left over. So there's our egg. It's all set. So the next thing we'll put in will be our meat. And this is lamb. And we're just going to heat this up. This is leftover, so it's already been cooked. So there we go, and you'll see again, there's not a whole lot of liquid in there. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put in some onion very quickly. There we go. Just kind of cut that up, just like that. And in that goes. That'll start cooking up nicely. And then our sweet red peppers. There we go. And then we're going to get our rice. This is leftover rice. This is jasmine rice, so it's cold rice, or at room temperature anyway. Put that right in. That's great. Now we're going to put in a little bit of soy sauce, just to give the rice a little bit of flavor and a little bit of that dark color. There we go. The whole time this rice is on high heat. Then we'll put in our pea pods. And these are just all vegetables that I had kind of in my refrigerator. And the last vegetable we'll put in will be some Chinese cabbage or bok choy. Put that right in. And a little bit of sesame oil, just about like maybe a teaspoon of sesame oil. And we're going to turn the heat right off. You don't actually cook with sesame oil. You don't stir fry with it. It's more of a for flavor. And then if you want, you can put in a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. This is black pepper. Just for a little bit of flavor. And there, very quickly, there's leftover rice, vegetables, and some lamb. we have fried rice. Now you can put in other ingredients that you happen to have. In a few minutes I'll be putting in some shrimp. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.